Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the media upload problem onto Snapshot. So if you're having this error like you can't upload anything or it gives you an error while uploading, this could apply to two things. One, that Snapshot could not actually upload this because of storage error, or that it is a connection error. So the first thing that we are going to try is to see your network connection. So you need to open the Wi-Fi tab as seen from here. You need to hold your Wi-Fi and see if it's connected correctly. If it's actually connected correctly, try to turn it off and turn it on again, or choose another Wi-Fi connection and see if the problem is fixed. So if this fixes your issue, that's good. If not, now you can actually try to see if it's a storage error. So you can actually hop onto Snapshot app, hold onto the app, and then you need to go to the info section. After that, now from here you need to go to storage section. Now you will have the option to clear the cache. Press it and then go back. After that, you need to click on the permissions, and now you need to make sure that storage is actually selected and allowed. Now just make sure that everything works correctly and see if the problem is actually fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.